car maintenance hacks that you must try. Hello friends. Welcome to Car Learner. Most of the car learners come across some unavoidable inconveniences. That is why today we brought you some car maintenance hacks that make your driving easy. So let's dive into no car maintenance hacks. Number 1. Prevent a windshield crack with nail paint. To prevent the crack from spreading, fill it with nail paint. When it dries, you won't see any nail paint. While you have to replace the window, you can extend its lifespan. Number 2. Open frozen locks quickly. In snow time, car doors get locked up, and it is impossible to open it. Thus, to fix it, put some alcohol-based sanitizer to it. The sanitizer will thaw out the ice. Number 3. Park car with noodles. If it is a bit tight to park in your garage, cut a pull noodle into half and attache them lengthwise to your garage walls where you can most likely hit. It is the easiest way to avoid car dent. Number 4. What to do when timing belt broken. Is your timing belt broken, have worn down, or needs to be replaced? Try a pair of stockings. Sometimes a pair of stockings is enough to serve as a makeshift belt replacement. Number 5. Increase the range of your wireless keys. When you are too far from your car to use your wireless keys underneath your and open your mouth. In this way, you'll turn into a human silhouette in the body. Thanks for watching the video. For more details, check the description box. www.carlearner.com.au